Understanding blockchain technology. Imagine a world where financial transactions, contracts, and even ownership records are completely secure, transparent, and free from middlemen. A world where trust is not placed in a single institution, but in a decentralized system that no one controls. That world already exists, and it is powered by blockchain technology. But what exactly is blockchain, and why is it so revolutionary? To fully understand blockchain, we need to break it down into simple, practical concepts. At its core, a blockchain is a digital ledger, much like a notebook that keeps records of transactions. But unlike traditional ledgers controlled by banks or governments, blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over it. Instead, it is maintained by a network of computers spread across the world. The beauty of blockchain lies in its structure. Transactions are grouped together into blocks, and once a block is full, it is added to a chain of previous blocks, hence the name blockchain. Each block is secured using advanced cryptographic techniques, making it nearly impossible to alter any data once it has been recorded. This makes blockchain one of the most secure systems ever created. But how does blockchain actually work in real life? Let's say you want to send money to someone using blockchain technology. Instead of relying on a bank to process the transaction, the blockchain network verifies it using a process called consensus. This means multiple computers on the network check and agree that the transaction is valid before adding it to the blockchain. Once added, the transaction becomes permanent and cannot be changed, ensuring trust and security. One of the key features of blockchain is decentralization. Unlike traditional banking systems where all data is stored in one central location, blockchain data is distributed across thousands of computers. This makes it incredibly difficult for hackers to manipulate, as they would need to alter data on every single computer simultaneously, which is practically impossible. Another crucial aspect of blockchain is transparency. Every transaction recorded on the blockchain is visible to all participants in the network. This is why blockchain is often referred to as an open ledger. Anyone can verify transactions, reducing fraud and corruption. In industries like finance, supply chain management, and healthcare, this level of transparency is a game changer. Now, let's talk about smart contracts. A smart contract is a self-executing agreement written in code. It automatically enforces the terms of a contract when conditions are met. For example, imagine renting an apartment through a smart contract. Once your payment is confirmed on the blockchain, the contract automatically grants you access to the apartment. No middleman, no paperwork, no delays. Blockchain technology is already being used in many industries. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum rely on blockchain to process secure transactions. Supply chain companies use blockchain to track products from manufacturer to consumer, ensuring authenticity and quality. Even governments are exploring blockchain for secure voting systems and identity verification. But blockchain is not without its challenges. One major issue is scalability. As more transactions are added to the blockchain, the system can become slower and more expensive. Developers are working on solutions like Layer 2 scaling and sharding to improve efficiency. Another concern is energy consumption. Some blockchain networks, like Bitcoin, require vast amounts of computing power, leading to environmental concerns. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain looks incredibly promising. As technology evolves, blockchain is expected to revolutionize industries, enhance security, and give people more control over their data. The potential applications are limitless, from decentralized finance to secure medical records and even digital identity management. So, the question is, are you ready to embrace the future of blockchain? As this technology continues to shape the digital world, understanding its power and potential could be one of the smartest investments in knowledge you can make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. What are your thoughts on blockchain technology? Let us know in the comments below.